This revolution is coming. It is on. The only question we ask is it going to be allowed to come about without much upheaval, without much bloodshed, or the other way around? This, I think, is the question that matters today. And all efforts that men of goodwill, men and women who understand what is happening, are making today are designed, in my opinion, to lessen this bloodshed. I have said before, we have been here under the British for over 70 years. We never became capitalists. Never. We have remained humanists. Even when we were discriminated against, oppressed, killed, shot at like wild animals, we remained humanists. I remember distinctly in 1958, at the height of the Federation, when Zelensky coughed, that was the law. We came out with the constitution of the party, which was humanistic. Who is Vorster to tell us today that because our Chinese brothers are building that railroad for us, we're going to go communist? What an idiot. We respect the thinking of the Chinese people. We respect them. They are our friends. They are building a railroad for us. They have assured us that they are here to build a railway. They are building these roads in Zambia. At no time have I heard of a Chinese man interfering with our politics here. No, nothing.